Hi, I'm Brian Burke from SellYourMac. Today we're going to teach you how to pack your iPad. Let's go ahead and get started. The iPad box has arrived. We're going to go ahead and pack up our Apple product to send to SellYourMac. Once you open it up, you're going to find this little insert inside. Insert pops right out. Unfold it and you'll be able to slide your product right under this cling wrap. Then just fold it back over and slide it right in. Fits in there perfectly. And you have this little extra slot that you can put your peripherals in. Here's your charging brick and charging cord. And you close it up. See all the edges. Here's the free included return label. You'll find that in the box. It's self-adhesive. All you need to do is peel it off, pop it right on the box. Voila.